2. Many plants grow out of seeds. Science word pile. Flower, sun, fruit, rain, breathe, seed, air, flowers. I love flowers, pink, blue and white. In the garden as they grow, they are a pretty sight. Many plants bear flowers. Plants like pea, sunflower. Fruits. You know, children, some flowers grow into fruits. Yummy, juicy fruits. Seeds. You know, seeds are found inside the fruit. The fruit covers the seed.
Hi there! I am a seed. If of me you have need. Inside a fruit I am found. Into a plant I can grow. Just put me in the ground.
Children, most plants grow from seeds. Seeds are of different kinds. These are some seeds: gram, bean, rice, corn. Baby plant. All seeds have a baby plant hidden inside them. They also have some food stored for that baby plant. How a seed grows.
I am a seed. I have 3 good friends who help me to grow. They are sun, rain, and air. Thank you.
A little seed has 3 good friends which help it to grow. The sun keeps it warm. The rain brings it water. The air makes it breathe. You know, these 3 friends help the seed to burst its covering. It then grows out into a little plant. The little plant grows into a big plant. Things to remember. Here are some important things we learned in the lesson. First, many plants bear flowers that grow into fruits. Second, fruits have seeds inside them. Third, seeds have baby plants inside them. Fourth, baby plants get their food from the seed. Fifth, baby plants grow into big plants. Sixth, most plants grow from seeds.